Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make toilet soap at home. If you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Toilet soap, also called bathing soap, is made using two major raw materials. These are vegetable oil and caustic soda, also known as lye. Now, the vegetable oil used for making toilet soap can just be one or a combination of different types of vegetable oils. Research has shown that combining different types of vegetable oils to produce toilet soap gives the soap a unique appearance, texture, and even fragrance. Examples of vegetable oils are olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, shea butter oil, castor oil, etc. Now, when preparing lye solution for making toilet soap, the specific gravity of the lye solution should be adjusted to 1250. But before we go into the production proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this production. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 1000 grams of toilet soap. Coconut oil 350 ml. Olive oil 250 ml, shea butter 30 gram, stearic acid 2 tablespoons, caustic soda 180 gram dissolved in 750 ml and the specific gravity adjusted to 1250, and perfume 10 ml. Now these are the materials. This is coconut oil, this one here is olive oil, this is shea butter, and this is stearic acid. Now this is our lye solution, that is solution of caustic soda. Just like I said earlier, this lye solution was prepared by dissolving about 180 gram of caustic soda in 750 ml of water and the specific gravity adjusted to 1250. That is the ideal benchmark for making toilet soap using hydrometer. Now, to watch a video of how this was done, I have dropped a link in the description box below this video. Click on that link to watch a video of how to prepare lye solution for making toilet soap. This is our perfume. Now this is our improvised mold. These are measuring cups, and this is our wooden stirrer. Now the first thing we will do is to melt the stearic acid and the shea butter in a pot. Now place your pot on fire and add stearic acid and shea butter into the pot. Now put up the fire and add coconut oil and olive oil into the pot content. Now measure your oil out. Here we have 5.5 cups of oil, which is a combination of coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter and stearic acid. Now, based on the quantity of oil that we have here, we will now measure 2 and 3/4 cups of lye, that is caustic soda solution. We are using the ratio 2:1, that is 2 volume of oil will require 1 volume of lye, or better still, 2 parts of oil will require 1 part of lye. Now add the lye to the oil. Stir the pot content as you add the lye to the oil. Now keep on stirring for a while. There is a vigorous reaction taking place now as the soap is being formed. You can now add your perfume to the soap paste. Now pour the soap paste into your mold and allow it to solidify for 48 hours. Now this is the final product after 48 hours. You can now cut into sizes you want and can now be used for bathing. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.